Proenza Schouler designers McCollough and Lazaro Hernandez returned to an in-person fashion show during New York Fashion Week with a catwalk event set against the backdrop of the Hudson River at the new waterfront hotspot, Little Island. The Spring-Summer 2022 show, in the new park's amphitheatre, faced the water, and was perfectly timed for the sunset, to highlight the brand's utilitarian wardrobe in neutral nature-inspired tones, mixed with vibrant pops of yellow, red and orange. This was a collection in celebration of newfound freedoms, however fragile they may seem, coupled with an absolute optimism for all that lies ahead, explained the brand in the show notes, as well as offering up the perfect wardrobe for a tropical holiday. Tailoring was at the heart of the collection, but with a modern update with shapely forms and vivid, plush jacquards, while a trio of brightly colored dresses and fine gauze jersey pointed to a life that is free to step out once again, and double-sided block prints on diaphanous silk crepes aimed to allow the wearer's imagination to wander far and wide. There was also knitted fringe as a celebration of the handmade, on cycling shorts, and as tiers on sexy maxi dresses with cutout detailing, as well as beaded detailing on sleeves of tops and dresses in technical fabrics. Comfort was also on the design duo's mind as they keep the shoes practical, with loafers and sport-influenced sandals. The Dia-Day bag was also showcased in a myriad of fabrications, including hand-woven raffia and technical faux crocodile, while handmade feather lei used as part of a collaboration with Patti Hanna, a traditional lei maker on the island of Maui.